Elephant toothpaste. One of the most popular and broadly demonstrated chemistry experiments among them all. We've all seen how this experiment unfolds, but how does it work? First, we need an empty bottle, hydrogen peroxide 3%, a cup, a funnel, a beaker, some yeast, a tablespoon, food coloring, and soap. Also, make sure to use your gloves. We start off by adding a tablespoon of soap and pouring it into the bottle. Then we pour in about 6 Oz of hydrogen peroxide into the beaker and into the bottle. Then we need about half a cup of water. With this, we pour a tablespoon of yeast into the cup. Stir the mixture for about 30 seconds. Add food coloring to the mixture in the bottle. Gently give the mixture a swirl. Place the funnel in the bottle and pour the yeast water mixture. And there you have it. Elephant toothpaste. Now, you probably saw lots of bubbles and foam in this activity. What makes the foam appear? When the hydrogen peroxide comes into contact with the yeast, it starts breaking down into water and oxygen. Oxygen is a gas and therefore wants to escape the liquid. The dish soap that you added to your reaction, however, traps these gas bubbles, forming a foam. The reaction continues as long as there is some hydrogen peroxide and yeast left. Once one of them runs out, it stops making new foam. If you tried the activity without the dish soap, the reaction would probably still be made out of bubbles, but not foam. The overall reaction is 2H2O2 aqueous turns into 2H2O liquid plus O2 gas. As you can see in this equation, the hydrogen peroxide breaks into water and oxygen. This oxygen wants to escape the liquid, which makes the foam rise.